welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? So today I am going to make some Escovitch fish with bammy, some fried plantains, and I'm going to make some chunky red potato salad. That sounds so good, right? So come on over here so make me show you what I'm going now. So I'm going to turn on the stove to fry the plantains, bammy and fish, and boil the potatoes. So guys, I use coconut oil to fry the fish them, and I'm using some snapper. I say it name snapper. Snapper fish. Yeah, so put my oil in my pot. Put enough oil to fry the fish then. I already clean up my fish, season my fish. So when time when I do this dish, please wash the fish, clean the fish properly, wash it with a lime and vinegar, and dry the fish them. Use a clean kitchen towel or paper towel and dry the fish them, so that when you not fry them, it not pop up in the pot and burning up. So make sure it well dry. Season your fish properly, you know, slice it like this. And you season it properly in and out, all over. So make the seasoning soak through, so you get a better taste than Escovitch fish. Alright, so right now I wait on the oil for hot. Then I go start the process. So guys, the water ready for the potato. So I will go ahead now and put the potato in the pot. I don't want to get any bun up in here today now. Now taking the bun up today. Try go down in the water easy. Don't beer. Alright. Potato in the pot. So now cover that, leave that for boil. Now the oil is ready. So now go start fry the bun. Alright, so I think the oil is ready for the fish. Yes. So when I fry fish, guys, when I Escovitch fish, I put a piece of pepper in my oil. Yeah. Alright. So fish are fried, bammy and plantain are fried, potato are boiled. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead now and turn these bammies. Check the potatoes. See, okay, they boiled. So I'm gonna turn that off and then add the second batch of fish in the oil. Okay, so I'm going to leave those to fry while the bammy and the plantain over here frying as well. Alright guys, so taking out the last set of the bammies. So I'm going to put in the last step of plantains now to fry. Alright, I'm taking out the last batch of plantains. Okay, so this is the last man standing. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you, I'm going to make the vinegar sauce for the fish. I'm using this pot because it's bigger. So I'm going to have some oil in the pot. Not too much oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to heat it up a little bit. Wait for it to heat up a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna stir fry this. I'm gonna stir fry this for about 2 minutes. Alright, before I add in the vinegar and stuff. So 2 minutes. Okay guys, so after letting my veggie and onion stir fry down for a few minutes, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my vinegar. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons vinegar. And then I'm going to add a little sugar. And the reason why I'm adding the sugar is to take out the acid. Because you know the vinegar and it's acidy. So you can add the sugar. Like about a teaspoon of sugar. And I'm gonna add, just to give a little extra flavor, some lemon pepper over it. No bag of nothing for kill the color of your onion, because you want the onion for white and pretty same way. Alright. So I'm gonna just make this stay for another 2 minutes. So next time you see me guys, I'm gonna plate it and show it to you. So see you soon. Okay guys, so this is what it comes down to. Right, so now I'm going to turn it off and show a little part of this, how I do it. So I'm going to come back when I finish plating it so you can get a better view. Okay guys, so this is the finishing touch of my Escovitch fish with fried bammy, fried sweet plantain, and chunky potato salad. And I use the red skin potatoes. So there you have it. There you have it guys. And you all are welcome to come over so we can mash up them fish here. Look at it. So pretty. See it there? See it there? Okay. So, for the ingredients for this lovely dish, I'm gonna put it in the description down below. Remember, check out my Facebook page, Carla's Kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. And thank you so much for my new supporters and those people that are there with me from jump. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all so much. And for the one them we are go all out for me, on a self. Big up, big up, big up. Thanks again. See you guys very soon in my next video.